Hello there guys, how is everything? How are you people doing? Yeah, welcome back. For those who are new, welcome. Kindly like, subscribe and click the notification button so that you may be notified once I upload another video. So I'll be moving out of my place pretty soon, and so I just decided that let me just share with you my apartment tour for memory's sake. I really don't like this place, but well, let's see how it looks like. Stay with me. Immediately you enter my door, that's what you see, my white chair. Then it goes all the way down. Then there is my doormat, it's red. That one, yes. Then on the right is my couch. On the left, sorry, is my couch, the gray couch. Yeah, then down here is my table, my glass table. I love it. Then of course my mat, my grey mat, my fluffy carpet. Then on the right side of the door is my TV on the TV stand. But before you get to the TV stand, this is what you'll see, my indoor plants. First on there is my lily, then the snake plant, then now my TV stand. That's a combination of white and black. That's my TV right on top. Then next to it is my pothos. That one in a white vase. It's a live plant, by the way. Yes. Then below that will be my extension, my speakers and my woofer, then my certificate, books and everything that you can see there. Yeah. Then next to it is my portable wardrobe. Then up there are my handbags. By the way, if you don't know how to assemble this wardrobe, do not worry. I'll put a video about that soon. Yes. So basically, this is the view that you get once you enter my house. This one. What do you think? Yes. Then on the other side of the couch now, it's my bed. That is it. Then there is my curtain. I've not yet invested in curtains, but that one is for the meantime because I don't love this house and I've not been so serious about decorating it. Then there are my shoes. Then right next to them is my other money plant. I love it in the green vase. Pale kokoda kuna plants na try kupropagate. Then up there is something that I love, something I got from my graduation. Yes, it says, "You have done it. I'm proud of you, proud of your diligence, your hard work and resolve. May God open the doors for you and help you to handle the things that you have been dreaming for and much more." And that's my prayer for you too. Then here is my washroom door. We are not going to go to the washroom. Next to it is my sink where I wash my hands. That's my hand wash. Brush my teeth, anything, wash my face, anything that can be done there. Then up there is my small mirror. What did you see? Yeah. Then right there, okay, let me move back so that you can see this. This kind of bed sitters in Malindi, the kitchen is separated like that. So let's see what's in the kitchen. So yeah, first thing on your left is my gas. Then up there their shelves where I place my stuff. That's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Yeah. Then, and next to that is my curtain. It's light purple, and there is a farasi right on there. Then the sink and where I place my utensils when they're still wet. There is a socket there where you think you're supposed to connect a microwave or the cooker. Yeah, which I don't have. Then down there below the sink is my rack. Next to it is my crate of eggs that has nothing because I've eaten, of course. Then my dustbin and my broom. So that is basically it. This is the view in the kitchen. Yes. And this is my living area. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to show you the house that I'm moving to. Because as I said before, I don't like this house. I'll show you the house that I'm moving to. And I'll show you how I'll transform the empty space into a home. Then I'll also have a new tour for the house and how I'll acquire the sheets and everything. And it will be just awesome. So stay tuned. Until next time, nawapenda, kwaherini.